In today's video, we'll be reviewing the Naoevo K1 LED headlights. So about a week ago, the company Naoevo sent me out these LED headlights to review. Pretty much in today's video, I'll be showing you how to install them, how they compare with the current LED headlights that I have installed in my car, and how they compare to the halogen bulbs that you get stock in your car from the factory. Alright, so I'm just going to show you what's in the box. So what it looks like. And inside we get the two LED headlights, as well as some installation instructions, which pretty much shows you how easy it is to install these headlights. It should honestly take no longer than 10 minutes. So here are the headlights themselves. First thing I've noticed is it's got a braided cable, which is fantastic because that's the last thing you want, the vibration in the car to eventually eat away at the cable. So that's great. Got a solid metal design, which is always a positive. We've even got like the little branding on the tip of it, so that's pretty cool. These LEDs also come with a built-in fan, so you won't need to worry about them overheating or anything. They're actually rated from up to -40 degrees to 80 degrees Celsius, and they've already been tested before they even get shipped to you. They're also advertised for up to 50,000 hours of use time, so you won't need to worry about these things ever dying out on you. And because of its all-in-one design, it's very easy to install. It's as simple as taking your old one out and putting this one straight back in. So the reason I picked LEDs over HIDs is because they're so easy to install. You see, everything is all in one single setup, whereas HIDs, you gotta install a ballast, you gotta try to hide the ballast everywhere, and it's just difficult. So if you're ever looking for headlights, I do recommend getting LEDs. Alright, so we're just gonna install these headlights now. It's as simple as taking your old one out. All you gotta do is unplug the old one, like that. This is a bit of a tight spot. And pretty much you pull that boot off, pull the rubber boot off, like that. Take your old headlight out. I'm taking my old LEDs out. So these are the old ones, and these are the new ones that I'm installing. So just comparing the two, you can see that this one here seems to have some sort of like blocking thing. So it might give you like a cutoff line, which is what you want. Whereas this one's just a full out surround LED. So you want to make sure that you line these prongs up to where it's going to be going down in there. So you can see that little hole in there. And just plug this straight in. Try not to touch it on anything else. And then it just slide the cable into the connector. And there you go. And it's the exact same on the other side. We've already taken the headlight out and we're just gonna put the new one in. Alright, so we'll be back later tonight to test how these LEDs compare to the LEDs that I had in my car previously and the stock halogen bulbs that you get in your car from factory. Alright, so it's now nighttime and I've installed the original halogen bulbs that you get with the car. So I'll just turn them on and we can have a look at what they look like. So again, these are the stock halogen bulbs that you get with the car that all cars come with, all old cars anyway. And as you can see, they're very dull, very yellow, and they're not bright at all. But they do have a cutoff line, as you can see, so they don't blind other drivers coming towards you, which is good. A very yellow kind of light. Hope the camera's picking it up there. Alright, so now we have installed the LED headlights that I previously had in my car. And as you can see, the spread of light is just dispersed everywhere. There is no cutoff line, although the camera isn't really showing it, but pretty much the light is going all the way from this focal point all the way up and really doesn't stop getting bright up until there. So the one problem with these LED headlights that I had installed was that people that would come towards me would sometimes flash me because the lights would be so bright and in their face. And there you go, as you can see, if I focus down here, you can just see there's just a flood of light going absolutely everywhere. And now we are going to install the Naoevo LED K1 headlights. Alright, so we now have installed the Naoevo K1 LED headlights, and you can already tell straight off comparing it to the other ones that these have a very distinct cutoff line, which is exactly what you want in this sort of situation because you don't want to be blinding other drivers coming towards you. They are also a very nice white color, and the total output of both of them is 8,000 lumens, which is crazy bright, and they won't be getting in the eyes of other drivers, so that's perfect. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is show you guys what it's like driving with these Naoevo K1 LED headlights. Pretty much you'll be seeing that these lights don't go higher than the car's bumpers, which is perfect because you don't want to be blinding people that are driving towards you. So I've just pulled over here, and as you can see, these Naoevo K1 LED headlights are doing a very good job of staying and giving a flat line. That van windscreen over there is not illuminated at all. That sign is just a little bit illuminated, but that can easily be fixed by lowering your headlight and adjusting it. I know that my left side's a little bit off. Fantastic result. I highly recommend these Naoevo K1 LED headlights for your car. So just a disclaimer, I was not paid by Naoevo to review this product. All they did was send me out these Naoevo K1 LED headlights for me to review and to give you guys my unbiased opinion. So I'd firstly like to say I do not have a single bad thing to say about these headlights. They're actually very easy to install. They are much better than the halogen bulbs that you get stock from factory. They even have a cutoff line, and they are much easier to install than HIDs. So I don't know if you guys are familiar with HIDs, but pretty much you got to install them with a ballast and try to hide the ballast and all that. So that's why I would pick LEDs over HIDs anyway. I'll have these linked down in the description below so you can purchase them if you want. I don't get any sort of revenue from linking it down in the description, so I just hope you guys know that, because I'm giving you a complete honest review on these. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you to Naoevo for sending these headlights out for me, and I highly recommend them. So if you guys have Toyota Camrys and want to make them look nice at night time and to improve your overall vision at night, definitely get these. Catch you guys, see you on the next one.